I think this is my fourth or fifth time attending Marcus Evans' packaging conferences, not only in Europe but also in Asia and in other places in the world. Well, I think what attracts me is always, seeking the new knowledge and learning opportunities by discussing with other companies and other people.
I made the time for this particular event for many reasons. One, I think the events that Marcus Evans organizes are really well organized always, so it's always a breeze to go in and out of the venues at great locations, but also a really good opportunity to speak at the right kind of people that we want to reach as a brand with the mission that we have.
The way the activity and the event is set up is much more informal. Yes, of course we are here to work together, but we have round tables, we don't have a large audience with a lot of seats in them. It's really easy to get in touch with them, to make contacts which you normally would not get in your day-to-day job. So yes, this really unlocks partnerships.
I've been speaking before at the summit. It's been a great event, and when I was asked to host it for these 2 days, I happily accepted because the audience is great, relevant people, relevant discussions, so I'm really happy to be here.
What is really important for me is to have this opportunity to have interactions during network breaks with different company organizations depending on your business agenda. So this is really adding value to our day-to-day and our agenda.